My name is Evan Hill from All Seasons Exteriors here at 6680 Violet Way in Arvada, Colorado, June of 2022, doing a roof inspection. So Brad, I'm on the top slope of your roof right now. It is a double story, as you know, so two different ladders used to get up here. Didn't find any issues or any problems with the lower slope. Just did kind of a perimeter walk, not only on the ground but on the first floor of the roof. But as soon as I got up here, started noticing what I see on a lot of tile roofs in Colorado in terms of wear and tear is a lot of tipped corners where, actually here's a few of the pieces from some other tipped corners lying in the valley. These tiles are, broken like this right here. Likely either from people that have walked on the roof, maybe either doing repairs or the roofers possibly even themselves, but stepping incorrectly on these tiles breaks them like that. The problem with that is it leaves it susceptible for water to actually kind of get underneath that area right there on the tile below it. Probably hasn't caused an issue because it does take some time, but it is damaged, does need to be replaced. There's about 8 of those on various different parts of your roof. One here in the front, 2 over here, a few right up here, that one there, and 3 over here. The worst problem on the front of the roof though is we do have a cracked tile, actually similar to the one that's on your back slope, which I'm going to take you to, but this tile right here, I'm not again entirely sure why. It's possible in a windstorm, maybe a piece of debris, something like that could have cracked this, but cracked all the way across like that, exposing the tile underneath. Problem is it's in just the right place where the nail holes are below the tile below that. So this doesn't look like it's been this way for very, very long, maybe a year, something like that, but if left like this, obviously it can get a lot worse and start to cause leaks similar to what you're having in the back. So I'd recommend replacing this tile definitely, and the few other cracked corner ones that are around the roof. Lastly, I'm going to take you back to the back slope where the leak's been occurring and show you exactly what the issue is, and why you're having the problem that you are is for whatever reason there's a piece of cracked tile right here that's very bad, and it's slid down over time just because of the break has been up at the top. Problem with that is it's exposed the area underneath and what we call felt underlayment, this kind of roofing felt here. This stuff is not waterproof, it's just water resistant. So as you can see, prolonged time exposures to sun, wind, rain, snow maybe even, has completely eroded that away and exposed the sheathing. Now I had a real good push on the sheathing. It's not entirely eroded and needs to be replaced yet, but this tile right here completely needs to be replaced, and I'd say probably the underlayment should be replaced around it with what we would call an ice and water shield. I can actually just put that right over the felt. It'll seep into those wood fibers, make that completely waterproof for many years to come. But yeah, in total, my professional opinion is replacing this tile, the broken one in the front, about 9 other minor cracks, and the ice and water shield underneath.